In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect payments from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel. We'll walk through how to charge a customer directly from their profile, so you can take a one-time payment quickly and keep everything tied to the right contact. Before you begin, make sure you're logged into your account with the right permissions and that your payment processor is already connected in your settings. With that in place, let's get started. First, open the Contacts area from your main navigation. This is where all of your leads and customers live. Use the search bar or filters if you need to narrow things down. When you see the correct record, click into that contact's profile. It's important to confirm you have the right person, so take a second to verify the email or any key details on the profile before moving forward. Inside the contact's profile, look over to the right-hand side and open the Payments section. This panel is designed to show their transaction history, invoices, subscriptions, and any previous charges associated with this contact. It's a great place to double-check whether they've been billed recently or if there are outstanding items you should be aware of. Next, click the Actions button within the Payments section. From the drop-down, choose Charge Now. This opens a charge window where you can enter the details for this transaction. Think of it as a simple, one-time point-of-sale form that stays attached to the contact. Enter the amount you want to charge. Use standard currency formatting, and make sure you're entering the total before any taxes or fees your gateway may automatically apply. Then set the currency to match what you and your customer expect. Choosing the correct currency is essential for accurate accounting and to prevent confusion on the customer's statement. Add a clear description for the charge. This will appear in the contact's payment history and can be invaluable for reporting later. Include short, specific context such as the product or service name, the date or period covered, and any internal reference that helps your team recognize the transaction at a glance. Before you finalize, review everything carefully: contact name, amount, currency, and description. When you're confident it's correct, click Confirm and Charge. The system will process the payment, and once successful, the charge will appear in the Payments panel for that contact. Depending on your account settings, the customer may automatically receive a receipt, and your team will have a clean record tied to the profile. That's it. Quick, accurate, and fully tracked right from the Contact tab in GoHighLevel.